Presently, Indian banking industry is passing through tough times, mainly on account of non-performing assets, in which major share is of corporate and that too of a big business. One such renowned corporate, Reliance Group, also known as Reliance ADA Group, Anil Dhirubhai Ambani is chairman of this group, which was established in 2006 with the separation from Reliance Industries Limited. This group consists of companies Reliance Capital, Reliance Infrastructure, Reliance Power, and Reliance Communications. Once upon a time, Anil Dhirubhai Ambani was ranked as sixth wealthiest person in the world. But very recently, in February 2020, he has stated on record before the court in United Kingdom that his net worth is negative and he is undergoing insolvency proceedings before National Company Law Tribunal. He was elected to Rajya Sabha in 2004 as an independent member of parliament from Uttar Pradesh. In 2008, Reliance Power came out with IPO amounting to 300 crore dollars, which it means around 22,000 crore rupees, which was one of the biggest IPO and was oversubscribed in 60 seconds. It means in a minute, which itself was a world record. Anil Dhirubhai Ambani was honored with Businessman of the Year in 1997. In 2002, he was honored with award Entrepreneur of the Decade. In 2004, he was honored as Chief Executive Officer of the Year. 2006, he was honored as Businessman of the Year and Business Role Model. He took Reliance to further great heights through various initiatives, and thus Wharton India Economic Forum honored Anil Dhirubhai Ambani with first Wharton India Alumni Award. In 1999, Business Week honored Anil Dhirubhai Ambani with 1 in million in business and finances. Now Anil Dhirubhai Ambani has become famous for fastest one who has destroyed wealth of the investors. This also has become a record. Now official website of the group provides information that in May 2018, National Company Law Tribunal has initiated insolvency proceedings for the dues more than 1 lakh crore. In February 2019, Ericsson, one of the Swedish company, filed criminal complaint against Anil Dhirubhai Ambani for not repaying money on account of his personal guarantee which was invoked. He was about to go in jail, but his elder brother Mukesh Ambani deposited the said amount and thus his arrest was avoided. This is the journey of chief of one of the largest renowned group of corporate in India. He entered in financial sector with its venture Reliance Capital, and if this onward journey would have continued for a couple of years, it is obvious that this group also would have obtained license to start new bank. In the eventuality, just imagine today what would have been the fate of depositors of that bank. It would have been as is with the investors of Reliance Power. This is the character of Indian corporate who now is dreaming to be the owner of those banks in the process of privatization of public sector banks. Thus, hard earned savings of the common man amounting to rupees 90 lakh crore, which is in public sector banks, would be put to a great risk. Is it affordable? On the background, government now proposes to introduce FRDI bill in its new form. Are we not to fight against all such policies? Bank employees, organized under the banner of All India Bank Employees Association, have taken initiative in raising this fight in larger interest. We appeal you, if you are convinced, please join this cause with a slogan: people's money for people's welfare and not for corporate loot.